name is Dr. Stephen Girard. I'm specialized in general surgery and breast surgery. I work at CommonSpirit St. Mary-Corwin Hospital. I like a hands-on approach. I'd rather see acute types of medical problems that have specific interactions where I can see tangible results immediately. CommonSpirit gives a lot of latitude to its physicians. It allows us to practice medicine without a lot of oversight. My approach to patient care is very individualistic. Each patient has a specific problem that needs to be dealt with in a specific way, and I like the problem solving and the personalized approach.
They can expect that I am prepared, so they know why they're coming here for the explanation, and I'm ready to walk into the apartment and offer them options.
Outside of work, I exercise, I lift weights, I'm a drummer. So I watch a lot of TV and play a lot of video games.